Hey, this is Jay, and today we're going to do a little TWS comparison against a single speaker, all in the same family. We had some requests for this, so I just got my second Boom 2 today. Now, I had posted a deal not too long ago about this being $99.99 for the black version, so if that's still active, you might want to jump on it because I don't know how long it'll last. The green and blue version were $109.99. So under $100, we're running these TWS, not in party mode. So in TWS, you push the Bluetooth button down on both of them, and then you'll get the tones to let you know you're in TWS. So we're going to run the Boom 2 against the Boom 2 Plus in the middle. And to keep it a fair fight, we're going to be in the Soundcore Signature EQ, which is the default for both of these in the Soundcore app. So they're both running the same Soundcore EQ. And we will have Mr. Hand on deck. Where is he? Hey, put the smokes down. Smoke breaks over. Get over here. Oh, there he is. All right. He's ready. And we're going to have him pointing to the speaker playing. We'll work off the left side to the center. So put your headphones on if you have them. We'll start this at 40% volume. We're going to start with what, Mr. Hand? He says the TWS Boom 2. Here we go. %40. Change tracks, go up to 60%. Track, go to 80% volume. 40%. So there you go. That's the comparison of the TWS Boom 2 against the single Boom 2 Plus. Now, despite the Boom 2s being having a brighter sound, they're still not as loud. You can hear throughout the range at 40, 60, 80, 100. A single Boom 2 Plus still louder, even though the Boom 2 Plus has a warmer sound signature. Both of these are in their Soundcore signature EQs, but the Boom 2 Plus does have a warmer sound, not as much detail in the sound, a little less clarity. But in general, it just, at whatever volume you're using it at, the single Boom 2 Plus has a fuller sound than the two Boom 2s. So you get better, obviously you get better, like what I'm hearing. I don't know if you can hear it exactly like I am, probably not. But you get a more enveloping sound because you have two speakers spread apart in stereo. So it definitely is more immersive sounding. But as far as just the overall capabilities, two of these still doesn't really match one of the Boom 2 Plus for lower end, for output, and just has a meatier sound to it. So if you had two of these, which I think I'm getting another one. There was some screwy deal where they had a live stream, Soundcore did, early in the morning, and then they were asking some trivia questions, and then you could answer it on there. They were giving away these speakers. Supposedly, like 2-3 weeks afterwards, they sent me an email, said I had won the adventure pack. Then they said they were going to ship it. I have never got it. That was last week, so I don't know if I'm getting one or not. It sounds kind of sketchy. But anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments below on this one. I think the overall sound, you're going to get the Boom 2 Plus just overmatches the two Boom 2s and TWS. But let me know what you guys think. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it today. It's free, costs you nothing, and I guarantee you this channel's worth every bit of nothing. And I will put links in the description to both of these speakers if you're looking to purchase one. And if the Boom 2 is still on sale for $99.99 for the black one, that's a heck of a deal. For Mr. Han and I, there he is, we are out. I think he just spelled O-U-T. I didn't know the guy could spell. All right, go back to your cigarettes, but we're done. We out.